Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Ambrane fast charging micro USB cable. This is a braided micro USB cable and it's 1.5 meters long as it's written over here. There's also a photo of what this particular braided cable is going to look like. Over here we have some extra information. It's written fast charging speed, tough braided cable, micro USB connector. Charging output is 3 amperes max, cable length is 1.5 meters, color is black. And 5000 plus bends lifespan. That's great. Now let's open this box and show you what this particular cable looks like. So this is it. This is what the cable looks like. This is a braided cable. This is a 1.5 meter long braided cable. There you go. 1.5 meter long. These are two jacks on the two ends. This is a USB-A jack and this is the micro USB jack in question. An Ambrane logo over here as well, as you will notice. It also comes with a cable tie, which is a great touch. It will help you manage the cable better. And finally, this is braided cable, so these will not break or tear or get chewed upon easily. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Ambrane fast charging micro USB cable. Thank you for watching.